We are in regular touch with IMD and other agencies, and as per the latest bulletin issued by IMD, the cyclone is still in the Bay of Bengal, and it is likely to move northwestward till 1st of May, and thereafter it will recurve north and northwestward towards the Odisha coast. And they have predicted that the cyclone would hit somewhere in Puri district, and it will be sometimes in the third May late evening.
Sir, what's the preparation by government?
We are hopeful that these forecasts by IMD would undergo revision. We have observed that they have been updating the information, and we are hoping more precise information, and we still have a lot of time, 3 days of time. And in the meanwhile, we have alerted all the collectors north of Vizag from Gajpati towards Mayurbhanj. All the collectors of Gajpati, Ganjam, Puri, Jagatsinghpur, Kendrapada, Bhadrak, Jajpur, Balasore, Mayurbhanj, Khurda, they all have been, and Cuttack, they all have been alerted, and they have been taking a stock of their preparedness. And all the cyclone shelters on the coast, as you would know that we have built 879 multi-purpose cyclone shelters. Each of these shelter can accommodate about 1,000 evacuees, and along with the livestock. And all these cyclone shelters are being kept ready. In the event of a cyclone hitting Odisha, we will calculate the population which will be falling on the path of the cyclone, and we will take all necessary steps to shift the vulnerable population to the shelters, and we will ensure their proper stay and make other arrangements. And similarly, for the search and rescue operation, we have already allotted 20 units of Odisha Disaster Rapid Action Force. Similarly, I have spoken to DG NDRF. 12 units of NDRF are ready, and if necessary, more such units can be rushed. And we will be estimating where we need all these positioning of the people. Similarly, 335 number of fire stations are there in Odisha, and the DG Fire Services is working out, and we will be positioning the people strategically, and the collectors are making arrangements for wide dissemination of the information, and we are hopeful that we will be able to meet the situation with all success.